Hello to my beautiful subscribers. Are you ready to level up your web development skills and finally build real world portfolio worthy projects? I've got something for you. Hi everyone, Karen here from KHDevTT. Let me help you to move from noob to pro with practical skills and real world projects that actually matter. And guess what? We're kicking things up a notch with something really exciting. We are going to launch a brand new web development webinar series, and I want you to join us. It's happening inside of our exclusive Discord community, and these webinars are designed to help you build projects independently, tackle real world challenges, and create portfolio worthy work that really stands out. Each of the series are going to focus on building a specific project step by step. And yes, we're starting with a nice, sleek landing page for a yoga studio that you can currently see on your screen. It's perfect for leveling up your skills, plus, you'll be able to interact with me, ask questions, and connect with others in the community who are just as passionate about web development as you are. So, if you've ever felt stuck after you've done some course or tutorial series and you don't know how to independently build projects on your own, or you need a little push to evolve from absolute beginner to a confident developer, then this is your chance. These sessions are free to attend, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. So, click the link in the description to join our Discord server. Once you're in, you'll find the session links that are posted there. Again, it's completely free to join, and we're starting soon. So come through, bring your questions, and let's code together. Karen from KHDevTT signing out. Hope to see you on the inside. Bye now.